Q&A time. What do you wear for a Pilates class? Clothes? Wear clothes. But seriously, you just need clothes that you can move around in. You don't need the most expensive or the latest workout wear, whatever. You just need to be able to move. Some people claim that you need form-fitting clothes, but this isn't ballet class. You do not need a leotard and tights. You do not need leggings and a tight-fitting top. If your teacher's any good, they can see your form and alignment through a snowsuit. Not that I'm recommending wearing a snowsuit for class, but you don't need to wear tights and a leotard for class either. Just make sure you're comfortable, make sure you're confident, make sure that you can move around. Other than that, it really doesn't matter. Maybe I should start selling workout wear. Maybe I should start selling snowsuits. Maybe I should sell sweatpants.